So this is how the perfect Shopify product page look like, and after testing hundreds of different product pages for our clients and reviewing over thousands of different product pages, I realized that most of them don't have all the ingredients that they need in order to maximize their conversion rate, and this product page has it all. In this video, we're going to break down how this 8-figure brand is increasing their conversion rate, their AOV, the trust and credibility, communicating the value so that they maximize how much they profit from their Shopify store. And if you own an e-commerce store, you will get some advices that you can apply to it and see an increase in the conversion rate and how much you profit from it. So the first thing that we have here is that usually when people land on the product page that is selling supplements like this brand, the first thing that they have in mind is this brand credible? Is this brand trustworthy? So how is this brand managing to increase that trustworthiness so that they increase the conversion rate? The first image that we have here is this product image. Then the second image, they go straight into the supplement facts here, which is huge if you're selling the supplement. They have what are the supplements of this so that they want to bring the clarity to the maximum. Most of you guys have some images of people consuming your products or results, which is not that bad, but you want to show facts, you want to show stats immediately so that you show here's what the product is about, here's what's in the product, these are the ingredients, this is why you should trust us, and all these things. The second thing regarding the trust and credibility is this here, and I really love this thing. This is a genius one. They have this tab which when you click, you can open the labs results and you can see their testing labs. You can scroll all day long and see all these different stats, and guess what? Nobody is going to scroll this long. But what matters is that they will know that there's a lot of the things in this document. It's a credible lab test result, and therefore it increases the credibility. This is also called a length implies quality heuristic, which is exactly what it means. If you have something that is lengthy, it means that you've put the effort in it. It doesn't mean necessarily that people will read it, but they will know that you have the lab results and that your product is credible and that they can trust you. So very important thing when it comes to increasing the trust and credibility. Then again, since we are selling the nutrition, what we want to do, we want to have other brands associated with our brand. So we have this below default immediately, as seen is Medium, New Beauty, Forbes, etc. So that below default, you immediately apply the credibility by associating yourself with all the credible companies so that your customers, because they trust all these companies, they are going to trust you as well. Then again, we have ingredients. What are all the ingredients? So clarity all over the place, which is how they're increasing the trustworthiness. Now, the next thing, when you're selling the CPG products like this, subscriptions are a huge part of your business. You want to make as much as possible people subscribe to your product so that you increase the repeat purchase rate, especially if they like the product, they made the decision and they will be congruent with that decision, which is this part here. And this is how the perfect subscription box should look like. It's very simple and it has all the labels that brings the clarity and brings their good offering right up front. So you can choose one-time offer here, or you can go for subscribe and save. If you choose the subscribe and save, you are going to get 25% off. You're going to get free priority shipping, cancel anytime, reschedule, and you will have also the 60-day money back guarantee. So the thing is that if you choose to subscribe and save, you literally have nothing to lose. You will only gain the 25% off, you will get the priority free shipping, you will get the guarantee and all these things. So at this point, if you choose to subscribe and you just cancel like in 7 days, you still have gotten your discount, you have gotten your fast shipping and stuff, which makes it a no-brainer for their customer to subscribe on the first purchase, even if they're unsure if they want to buy it again from you. But what happens is that if they like your product, they have already made their decision to subscribe, so they don't have to think in their heads and make a new decision to buy again. They have already made their decision. This is the principle called consistency. When we make a decision, we tend to stay consistent with that decision. And since they have already made the decision to subscribe, they will just order again automatically. They will be charged automatically. And anyway, they like the product, they will get again the discount and all these things. So this is why this box is very powerful. It makes a no-brainer for your customer to subscribe because they will only get, and if they like the product, they don't have to make another decision to buy again with you because they have already subscribed. So for that reason, if you are a CPG brand and your sales depend a lot on the retention, This is why you need to have this box, because it really helps a lot with increasing your repeat purchase rate and therefore how much you profit from your Shopify store. So this is a must-have for every brand that is selling supplement products or any kind of CPG products through their Shopify store. Then on the top they have this benefit section. You can see how short it is. A lot of you guys put some block of text which is really annoying to read and hard to read. You just want to have a small description. Now the only thing that I would do is that I would make this text a little bit easier to read. You can see the readability level is 14, which is a lot, and especially for this type of audience you want to make it as easy as possible to read, because people, when they come from the social media, they don't want to see hard to read text because it's a friction. So that's the only thing that I would change here, but relatively you can see how easy to scan this text is with the bullet points and all these things. Now the next thing is about the increasing the average order value. Whenever a visitor lands on your product page, you want to make them spend as much as possible, because that will help you increase your profit margin. So if you have your option to choose between 1500 milligrams or 6000 milligrams, you want to put some kind of label or something that will make them choose the higher tier. Because if you don't put anything, why would they choose a higher one? So by having the label, the best value here, you're essentially communicating that if they buy this one, they're going to save the most, and that's the benefit of choosing the higher tier. You can also put things like most popular one or the best seller or whatever. So something that will just incentivize them to choose the higher tier rather than just having nothing and not increasing your AOV at all. And when you're in their cart drawer, you can see they have this free shipping at the top on orders over $60. This is huge. If you spend over $60, you will get the free shipping, and you have the upsells here, which are the means for helping you achieve that goal. When you have the free shipping at the top, you need to show them visually how close they are to reach that goal. And usually this is the bar that helps with that. So the combination of the free shipping threshold with the visual threshold and the upsell is the best combination for helping you increase the AOV in the cart drawer. So very important thing if you want to increase how much your customers spend with you. Now when we scroll below, we see this section, which is the benefits section. I really like this section because it just goes straight into the benefits. It doesn't tell the features. They've already communicated some of the features here. So basically what are the supplement facts and all these things. So now we want to say more about the benefits. What are the benefits that they're going to experience? Daily stress relief, eases physical tension, and all these things. So you want to tell your customers when they land how your product will help them benefit their life. Very important thing. Then right below it, if they click from the TikTok or the Instagram, they already have that format in their mind. And what you want to do, you want to bring some kind of consistency between the ad and your landing page. And this type of review is very good for that. It incorporates the social proof part of your product page, so how your customers are using your product, and is also bringing that familiarity of the Reels style to your product page so that they can see the social proof, but still have the sense that they're still kind of in their social media, which will help them convert. So in this example, you cannot click on this. You can only pause, but you can as well switch between these and see more of them, which is really good and an awesome feature for increasing the conversion rate. Then the next section is probably one of the most important sections for the product page. When your visitors land on your product page, they have a set of questions in their mind, and if you manage to answer these questions, you will significantly increase your conversion rate, because these are the questions that are holding them back. These are the questions that are friction in the purchasing process, and the FAQ section is the perfect section for addressing these questions. So what you want to do, you want to have the FAQ questions. You want to find out what are these most common questions that your customers have and put it into the FAQs. You can find out that with your customer surveys. You can find out in the reviews, in your support tickets, even on your Facebook ads comments. So you need to find out what are these questions and put them in the order of importance. So the most commonly asked question is the first one, and the least one is the last. And the thing that you can test is where you want to position this FAQ. A lot of the supplement brands have the FAQ section here, right just below the fold. This brand has it here. So test out and see where the FAQ section helps you the most with increasing your conversion rate. Then we have the customer reviews, all the things, and then on the end, related products. So this is a really good example how a brand is, first of all, increasing the trust and credibility. They have probably found out with their customer service, with the research, that the trust and credibility is one of the most important factors when it comes to purchasing from them, and they have really nailed down how to increase that trust and credibility with these facts, with the lab results here, then with the credentials here, and all these things. A very nice design as well. A nice design also helps you with increasing the conversion rate. If you're a serious brand, it's pretty much expected from you to have a nice design, and especially in the era where everybody has a nice design. It doesn't have to be some heavy design, but it should at least be a professional design. It should look appealing and bring the confidence to your visitors when they're exploring products. And this brand is one great example of how they have incorporated a nice design with all the elements that are necessary to increase the trustworthiness and credibility in their visitors' mind. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And if you'd like to receive my free trainings on the conversion rate optimization, click the link down below and watch this next video that will help you with increasing your conversion rate.